recording.
Okay.
All these boats, all these people going fishing. He's excited to have a good time. Whatever. So, want to tell us a little bit before we get going?
Yep. So here I am with my longtime Army buddy, David Nagel. Finally came down to visit him. He's got his fishing charter, Jawsome Fishing, so we're hanging out with him. He blocked out this weekend just for us. So found out he could have brought some friends, maybe my little nephew, since he wanted to come. But well, it wasn't planned. I didn't want to surprise him, but maybe next time.
What are you gonna go get today?
Everything. We're going after sharks first. Well, second. Well, that's the goal. But first, we're gonna catch smaller fish, and then we'll use the smaller fish to catch the bigger fish, which is the shark. I don't know. We're catching sharks.
Okay. Sign out.
Well, go ahead. Just hold him right there. Just hold him. Just hold him. Just hold him. Hold him. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Dang.
Yep. My ass gonna get kicked. This is just a little one.
Oh wow, that's pretty.
Got one.
You got one.
See, Randy? That's what they're eating.
Oh, okay. Wow.
You see them boil?
No, they're still around. They're still following.
Come on, babe. Look at that.
That's the hammer. The one I was hoping I didn't get.
Oh, wow.
I ain't going.
Come on, babe. He's right there. You got a big fish. You gotta bring it up. Now you get to show Andrew you got a shark. Come on, babe. Get that shark.
Good. Lift him. He's almost here.
Yeah. Come on. He's giving up. You gotta keep going. Keep going. It's right there, baby. Just a few feet under.
Just the hard part.
Come on, babe. Oh my gosh, so close! You're so close!
Come on, man. Finish him.
Very, very close, babe. It's right there.
Oh my god.
It's right there, baby.
I need
You gotta get him tired.
Get him. You're getting him. He's right there.
Come on, he's right there. Probably not even 5 feet down.
He's deep.
Deeper than that.
Lift him.
Come on, babe. He's tired. You gotta get it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Come on, babe. He's going under the boat.
Right there.
Yeah, he's going under the boat.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Just go underneath the boat.
Yep.
Stay right there.
There he is. Okay. He's gonna go that way. He's gonna go that way. So you, come on, babe.
Stay right there, Mia. Stay right there.
Come on. He was so close, baby.
See how he tried to break us off?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Almost had. That was what you were talking about.
Uh-huh.
Come on, babe.
Back. Watch outside. Yeah, just stay in. You want to... Keep working, man. There we go. The drag. You keep killing yourself. Yep.
Come on, baby, it's right there.
Oh my god.
It's tired. You can't rest yet. You gotta get it.
Okay.
Come on, baby. It's trying to go underneath the boat now. Yes, come on. Get that fish up here. Come on, baby. Keep going, keep going.
Lift him.
He's right there.
Come on. Get him. Lift him.
Come on. Look, babe, that's a big fish. You can see him. You gotta just pull him in.
Come on, yeah, lift him.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
Alright, reel down. Reel down fast.
He's right there. Come on,
Here he
babe.
comes.
He's coming up here.
Come on, here's the leader. Here's the leader.
Yes, you see him. Come on, baby.
Come on, yeah.
He's right there. He's right there. Oh my gosh.
Lift him, yeah. Lift him.
Come on, lift him. He's beautiful, baby. Come on.
Is it okay if I reel past the leader?
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. You just keep going.
Wow, look at that, baby.
Lift him, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, he's trying to go under. He's trying to go under, babe. Come on, keep your rod up.
Yep. I'm back here. Holy shit. Oh, don't
Lift him,
swing.
lift him, lift him, lift him, lift him. There you go.
There goes your fish. Come on.
Yeah, don't let him go down. Don't let him go down.
He's
Don't let him go down.
Come on, he's going down, baby. You gotta, lift him. He's still right there. He's fighting you right now.
Right there. He's trying to go down.
Yeah,
Don't let him go down.
he's trying to fight you
Come
right
on,
now.
Lift him. Make sure the drag is all the way up.
Come on, you're almost there. Come on, baby. You almost got him. Come on.
Holy cow.
Come on.
Lift him, lift him, lift him.
Oh jeez.
Come on, baby. He's right there.
Oh jeez.
You're so close. Watch your drag.
Yeah, you'll notice I'm walking funny. It's because my back's dead. 12 foot plus hammerhead shark. Hour and a half of fighting. Pulled him up about 3 times. Holy cow. Do your back workouts. Lots of back. See, where I'm from, up in the north, you just catch kind of like smaller fish. Let's go left. You catch a lot of smaller fish, and it's just arm strength, you know? Maybe a little abs. Mostly upper body, just arms. Yeah, no problem. You pump a little bit, get your fish in. And I bagged us out 2 miles from where we originally were. Oh my gosh. I don't even have that much line. It's probably more than all of my fish combined. Time-wise, distance-wise.
You guys need water or anything?
No, we're good.
Oh, we're good. Actually, yeah, I do. I need a water.
He needs the water.
You need a water?
Yeah. But yeah, that's why I'm more walking funny.
You said that's a red snapper?
I think so, yeah.
Hmm.
It's,
What'd you say, babe?
I said, oh my god, look at all that water, baby!
Oh my goodness, we didn't see it.
That was dark when we first came through it. This is the first big body of water that we hit coming in.
Yeah, but it was like 4 in the morning. Can you do mine too? Yeah. We are on our way out back to Opal. all the way through, so we have to go all the way down to Terminal B. And then, are you coming? Here. He's got too many things on his hands. What? Okay, you know you could put the other one down and just roll the other one too. Huh? Too much work? Okay. Hello. I'm recording. We are here still sitting at Sanford International Airport. Sanford, Orlando, I guess?
Yes.
We are looking to board hopefully soon. Our flight was supposed to fly out at 3:21 p.m. And what time is it now, babe? Past 6 p.m. Because
Time is 16:53.
yeah.
Oh no. 17:53.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get to go home soon. Look at what this guy is doing here. What are you doing, babe?
Ice cream.
Whatever. He's playing his games.
Feeding my fish.
This is what he calls feeding his fish.
Yeah, because I'll show you in a second. This is just part of the game. To feed my fish later. You will see, girl.
I already see, baby.